Hello all, today we will learn English grammar. First is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete sense. Example, God is great, to work is worship, honesty is a great policy. Kinds of sentence, 5 kinds of sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence. A sentence that states about facts is called assertive sentence. Example, Rabindranath wrote Gitanjali. Assertive sentence that affirm facts are called affirmative sentence. Assertive sentence that deny or negates facts are called negative sentence. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Example, what is your name? Yes-no question sentence starts with verbs. Example, is this mango sour? A WH question sentence starts with WH word. Example, when do you get up? Imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command, a request, or advice is called imperative sentence. Example, please bring a glass of water. In imperative sentence, the subject you remains understood. A negative imperative sentence starts with do not or never. Optative sentence. A sentence that expresses a wish or a prayer is called optative sentence. Example, God bless all. Sometimes an optative sentence may end with a mark of exclamation. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses wonder, surprise, pity, happiness, sorrow, and some strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence. Example, what a lovely weather today. Exclamatory sentence may begin with WH word also. Thank you.